Hello, test pilots. I appreciate you guys going ahead and being early adopters. This is a trial run, so we're not sure if we're actually going to be able to afford this or not, but we hope we can. So this is Dyknow. So what we need to do is get you guys started. Unfortunately, we didn't have the enrollments, so what we're going to have to do is have you guys manually enter your students. So it's a bit of a pain in the butt, and I apologize for that, but we are going to get it started. So here is, I've attached in the email a spreadsheet of all of the students. If you look down here, you can click on the staff. So here you guys are listed. And then you're going to want to look at classes. And these are the classes that you guys have, or that we have put in here for you with the students from those classes. So you're only going to be able to try it with the one class for now. And then hopefully if we purchase this, we'll be able to open it up for all students in the high school. So go ahead and, so Mr. Sleeper, you're going to be 3A. You're going to need to set up that class, and let me show you how to do that. So what you need to do when you sign into Dyknow, and I'll give you the instructions for that in the email. Basically, it's your school ID, or your school email, excuse me. So you put in your school email, you click the forgot password. It's going to send you an email saying recover password. You click on the link and you can create whatever password you want. It should then give you, this is sort of the dashboard or the home screen. I've set up a test class here. And so what you want to do is you're going to want to click on the edit button to add your students. So you click there on edit class. You can change the class name if you want to. You can add a co-teacher. However, we only have, the teachers that are on this list. So adding someone that's not on this list is not going to work for you. So go ahead and you can see I've added Hannah. She was in the media center and she let me use her Chromebook to test it out, and it seems to work just fine. So what you're going to want to do is, in order to add the students to your class, and this, I'm sorry, is kind of a pain, but it is what it is. So here you just search for the student by first name or last. It doesn't really matter. I just put in Hannah, and you can see I already have Hannah Jacoby, so I could put in Hannah Armstrong as well. Now I have two students in my class. And so you just kind of go through and do the same thing. I don't think we have a Jack. No Jack. Again, maybe we have a Ryan. Do we have a Ryan? Yes. Okay, we have a few Ryans. So you just find the list of kids that you want, and you just go ahead and click on it. And again, there you go. It just adds the students. It's easy, but it is kind of a pain that you have to add each student. I'm sorry. So click out of that, and now when you want to start monitoring the students, it's as easy as just click Start Monitoring. And it's going to send you into this area right here. And you can see that Hannah is looking at sad dogs. This updates every 60 seconds, or you can actually click on the refresh button and it'll refresh to whatever is on her screen at the moment. You'll see a list of real-time activities, so as you have more students in your class, it will start to populate where these students are, and you can click on who it is, so you can see, oh, Hannah's looking at sad-faced dogs. And then if you want to change what it is that the students are seeing or being able to see, you click on the modified blocking. Okay, and then you can click on allow all, allow only, or block only. So maybe there are a couple of sites that you want the kids to go to. You go ahead and you are going to add the website right here. So let's say I only want you to go to Google Docs. So google.docs.com, something along those lines, right? And then you go ahead and you add the website right here. And now if it's only allow, then the students will only be able to look at Google Docs, and you click on enforce, and so it begins. Now the only website that they can go to is that particular website that you've put in. So it's very important that you put in the correct website. I don't even think I put Google Docs in the right way. You can go ahead and change that at any time, so I can get rid of this, and then we'll cancel, and I'm actually going to hit remove. Oh, I'm sorry. No, here's where you remove the blocking. So now it's open back up to all. And then when you're done with your session, you can simply click End Monitoring. And that should end the class. So this is a very rudimentary tutorial. There are a lot more things to this, and as I play with it, I will help you guys. And please give me feedback, because we need to know if this is working and if it's something that we should really move forward with. So again, thank you for helping us out and being our test subjects, and I will be talking with you soon.